Cannot allocate memory, while no process seems to be using up memory. I am not competent on server issues. Any help is much appreciated. When try to start a Python/Django shell on a Linux box, I am getting Ozerer column, Erno 12, cannot allocate memory. Free. M seems to confirm I am out of memory. But I cannot see what is eating up the memory with top or PSUX. How can I identify the leak? Thanks. BTW, I am not sure if it is relevant, but the machine I am talking about is an AWS EC2 instance with Ubuntu 12 running.
Try this. Go into top. Press F, i.e., Shift plus F, to specify the sort field. Type N. This will turn the lowercase n in the list into an uppercase N. Press Enter. The list should now be sorted by memory usage. Press or H at the main screen for more options.
Will also sort all processes by memory usage descending.